Good day to everyone here. And thank you so much to Mrs. Mayal for giving this opportunity to showcase my company here. Nexus DMC, I was there last year on the same platform I shared with everyone. And we discussed about what's our history and what we have done till last year. Today I am going to showcase what we have done through this year to this platform. So Nexus DMC, we are okay. So Nexus DMC, we are a tech-based tourism company, and we are committed to provide a tech-based infrastructure to raise the tourism for our B2B partners. We are not new in the company, we are not new in the market. We are already following 20 years of experience, and we are already raising tourism industry to the platform. Like we have already built a B2B platform which is there for flights via.com, and which is now owned by Ebix and running very successfully in the market. After Ebix, we have already introduced Nexus DMC for our holiday partners. Our team, if I'll talk about my team, we have more than 1,000 professionals working 15 countries across the globe. If I'll talk about our slogan, One World, One DMC. May I know what is the meaning of One World, One DMC? Can anyone tell me? Here? Please come.
I'm saying one-stop shop.
Yeah, exactly. One-stop shop. So One World, One DMC is something that we are committed to provide you different kind of services for different countries under one umbrella. So we are saying Nexus DMC, One World, One DMC. Next, if I'll talk about our presence, our global market, then we have more than 1,000 professionals working across the globe, rightly starting from Americas to Europe. If we'll talk about Dubai, we are having our own setup, own coaches, own fleet, own vans. From Dubai, if I'll talk about India, we are having more than 500 professionals working as of now. We have very good setup in Bangalore. Recently, we have opened up our office in Gurgaon, and we are going to open our office in Mumbai as well. Starting from, I was there in India, then talking about Singapore, Malaysia, these all are, we are representation of more than 30-40 people working out there in the countries. And we are having very lavish office in Australia, in New Zealand, serving for our B2B partners. If I'll talk about Europe today, because Europe, season is just a doorstep, so I'll talk more about Europe. We are going to build a very formidable tourism infrastructure for Europe. We are already having good setup of coaches which are running live as of now. Plus we are having more than 300 vans which are operating in European market. If you will talk about Europe, whatever countries you are talking about, you can send us the requirement, and we are happy to cater you the services. In which regard of Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Baltic, and Northern Europe. We are selling fully loaded products which includes flight, visa, insurance, hotels, transportations, tour managers, guide, everything. Next, if I talk about my growth, my company's growth. So everyone knows the COVID period here. So I'll not talk about COVID period as of now. Just post-COVID period, if you'll see, the number of passengers we have covered is almost 2,000 passengers we served in year of 2022. Just after that year, if I'll talk about 23, you can see the significant difference here. We had catered almost third of the number. It's 7,000 passengers we had covered in year 2023. If I'll talk about last year, I am very happy to share the figure that we have catered more than 18,000 passengers last year serving for Europe. And just considering this in mind that we are already catering 3 times of every year, we are expecting more than 50,000 passengers this year to be covered for Europe and UK. that include all group departures, our FITs, our MICE movements, ad hoc groups, everything. So this is all about the figure for 2025 we are expecting, and since we are already running a very good number as of now. So I need to ask you one more question. Do you understand what is DMC? Can anyone tell me please? Sir, up. Please sir, come.
Destination Management Company.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. So DMC is Destination Management Company. Here is one more question. What do you think, what all required to have a DMC? Can anyone tell me here? Anyone? You? Okay, I'll tell you. So DMC is needing what? DMC is needing set of hotels, set of transportation, set of contracting with the restaurants, set of tour managers, set of guides. That's all need to be set up. And the entrance tickets for your attractions. So here if I'll talk about Nexus DMC, we are having more than 400 hotels contracting in place for Europe as of now. If I'll talk about team size, we are already having more than 40 people working in Europe as of now in our local offices, based in Bulgaria and Amsterdam. Now I will talk about food. Since we are highly operating GIT products, so we are having very good chain of restaurants with us, where we are also catering special dietary requests during operation of our GIT products. If I'll talk about fleets, coaches, which I just discussed, we are having our own coaches in Europe, more than 50 coaches we are expecting to come by March next year. Now we'll talk about guide. We are having local guide in Europe. You can ask me which language you are needing. We will be ready to provide you the guides. Attractions, if I'll talk about, we are having direct contracting with the attractions to give you the best rate without any filter. Next, if I'll talk about course size. So firstly, I would like to mention and showcase you where I will ask my friend to please cover this, that we are having our branding ORN all the way. ORN is a global brand which is running globally as of now for the coaches and the fleets. So this is the branding which you will see, and very soon you will see this branding whenever you are traveling to abroad. Any coach, any fleet, any van, you are seeing ORN, it means this is our product. So currently, if I'll talk about in January, we were having 30 coaches with us, which now 35 coaches are already running in the market, and more than 300 vans are already running in the European roads. If I'll talk about next year, our aim is to get this rise, and we are expecting 251 coaches by next year. Order has already been placed, and we are waiting to get it delivered as soon as possible. Now I am talking for the Europe. Here I would like to mention that same kind of setup, same kind of lavish office, same kind of more than 100 people are sitting. In fact, for the fleets matter, we are having Mercedes coaches, we are having Mercedes van, same setup in Dubai, followed by Australia and New Zealand. These are the contracting, hotel contracting we are having as of now with us. You name the hotel, we have the contracting. You name the property, we will give you best rates. So these are all partners. If I'll talk about Novotel, Ibis, Holiday Inn, Radisson, Courtyard Marriott, Crown Plaza. So these all are the hotels we have. We do have, as I just mentioned, DMC needing direct contracting with the attractions. So we are having direct contracting with the attraction. You name the attraction, we have the contracting. If you guys are providing bulk order for our attraction, we can also provide you the same. If I'll talk about next. So what we are catering now, what we want to, we want you guys to give us the services. Since you know Nexus is a DMC and we are working for our partners, we are very happy and welcome for the leisure groups. No matter what the group size, 10 to 100, 150, 200, you can provide us, we will get you the best rate. Till last year, if I'll talk about, we have already operated more than 600 groups for Europe and long haul. Next, what about corporate groups? What kind of corporate groups industry is operating? Can anyone tell me, please? In corporates, what kind of groups we are operating as an industry? Anyone here? So we are catering MICE group, that is called meeting, conferences, exhibitions, and incentive groups. So we are happy to welcome those kind of requests as well. And we are very good and very competitive in a pricing. We are committed to provide the services, guy. We are, no matter whoever is seeing us or not seeing us, we are trying to give you best service out of it. I was just talking about van tours. So we were having vans. I told you that we have more than 300 set of fleets which are running in Europe. Currently, if I'll talk about van, let's say your group size is 17, 13 or 20. I can offer you Mercedes Sprinter. We do have Mercedes Vito and Mercedes Viano as well. If somebody is needing luxury, premium experience, small family group, I can give you Mercedes Viano with 7-seater capacity. Here I would like to mention that we are also assisting with a special kind of group that is called Gen Tours, who don't want onion and garlic in their meal. They want a very, without onion garlic food. So Gen Tour we are operating. We are giving a special interest group like Pure Veg, Kitchen Caravan. Can anyone tell me what is Kitchen Caravan? Can anyone tell me? Yes, sir. Kitchen Caravan?
Kitchen runs with the group.
Exactly. So there are set of people who don't want to have food inside the restaurant where non-vegetarian food is cooked. So considering those requests, we are operating Kitchen Caravan groups in which kitchen is running with a group. There are set of people, one Maharaj and 3 of their helpers are traveling with the group along. So we are also catering a spiritual group. You can see we have recently done some group for ISKCON. We are catering Radha Swami, ISKCON, pure vegetarian, without onion garlic. Whatever request you are having, you can send it to across and we are happy to cater you. FIT. So what is FIT? FIT is somebody is traveling independently. That is called FIT. So if I'll talk about FIT tours, in Europe, what is most important to quote FIT is, I think Swiss Rail or Eurail. People are traveling Europe by trains because it is very good traveling by train. It is very scenic. So what the best part of our product is that we have given FITs. You can create FIT. I will just demonstrate that as well on my portal. So you can create FIT in just 2 minutes. The best part of our portal is that we have incorporated Eurail and Swiss passes in our portal itself. You are not supposed to go anywhere in the market. There is everything at one place. What last coming, not least, but yeah, you can tell me, all the arrangements which we are doing in travel industry, all the hard work which we are doing in travel industry, why? Why we are supposed to do such hard work? To have a customer. And the most importantly, to have a happy customer. So these are some happy customers from our travel partners, which you can see. And we are committed to have your trip memorable at the end. If I'll talk about Europe, we have 2 offices as of now. I just mentioned Netherlands and Bulgaria. Other offices we are soon going to open in Rome and Paris. Our coach are stations at Bratislava, Paris and London as of now. Very soon we are planning more stations for Rome, Spain and northern Scandinavia, somewhere in Scandinavia. So this is all about companies as of now. So guys, I will showcase you, just 5 minutes I'll take more, and I'll showcase you how our platform works. We welcome you to SATE, which is happening next week. 19, 20 and 21st, please come and visit our stall. Stall number B36. It's Baker 36. Please cross. Yeah. So this is the portal actually. And I will ask my friend to please click on flights. Yeah, flights. So here we are having inventories which are prepaid inventories out here. If you need any inventory, just for example, Delhi and Bangkok, could you please show me Delhi, Bangkok? Any date you can select. It's a very simple portal and you just click on search flights. You will see the inventories there. And you can see it is showing clearly 4 seats are left. It means we have 4 seats on this date. Now, quickly coming to the point, could you please show me the package deal? Thank you. So here we are having package deal of more than 60 products out here. 60 products including all domestic, long haul, short haul, and those products are including of flight, visa, travel insurance, everything. So for your staff, if let's say they don't know about the destination, they can just download or share with the client quickly. Okay, so if I'll talk about Europe this year, we are having total 16 product on this portal, which include 14 mixed product, starting from 6 nights till 14 nights, plus 1 product is for Northern Light, and 1 product is for Eastern Europe. Now I'll show you our best selling product as per the season. 1 is for Australia, which is a best selling product, and second one is a Japan. Cherry Blossom, you know what is Cherry Blossom. So currently we are welcoming queries for Australia and Japan. Okay, so could you please show, yeah. This is Majestic Australia, which is a best-selling product as of now. International flights are not included in that, but we have included internal flights in that. This is Wonder of Australia, which covers Sydney, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And you know Sydney, Gold Coast, Melbourne are covered by internal flights only. So we have included internal flights in this package. If I'll talk about, could you please click on Tokyo? So this is our Cherry Blossom product. And this is a best-selling product as of now. Now I am coming to one more point. If I am talking about GIT, then it means we are having flights included in that, and that too from different hubs. So for this product as well, I am having flight from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Chennai. You name the city and we have flight, right? Okay, now I will show you some marketing material here. So whatever product we are having, more than 60 products are live on system as of now. And you can see all the flyers are here. So we make your life completely easy. You just need to download the flyer. You just need to add the price over it, whatever your selling price is, and you can send across to your guest. This tech-based facility is there where your company logo and your company name will reflect on this portal by default when you will log in the portal using your company ID. So this is the beauty of this portal. Now I will quickly request my friend to go ahead and showcase one FIT package. Yeah. So one moment. Can you please go back? Okay. Now let's say your staff doesn't know how to do Europe, and just client enter to your store and asking, I need Europe. How they will quote it? They don't know. Next is here to showcase. How? He just need to create, suggest itinerary. He will write here Europe. Yes. Just add number of nights, 6 maybe. Yeah. Load the suggestion. Thank you so much. Now you can see system is creating permutation and combination of the itinerary. We won't see anywhere this kind of thing. Now just select, please, Gurpreet. So once we are selecting, you can see, just fill up this form, please, quickly. So let's say passenger is leaving from Bangalore, 2 adults are there, couples are traveling, and just adding 4-star hotel and land only package and creating this package. I will also show you how this will calculate the flights if we need to add it. So you can see this is a complete package which system has created, and this is accurate package I am telling you. Hotel is counting on the location and the best price, and everything is already added. So you can download the PDF, and PDF will come with your company logo, and you can download it, send it across to your client, and this is really, really a very beautiful product. I would like to introduce my team to be on stage, please. So in India, I am telling you, we are working, more than 500 people are working and serving for our B2B partners. Meet Mr. Satendra and Mr. Gurpreet. They are my team, and we are helping to cater you best services for B2B partners. Once again, Mrs. Mayal, thank you so much for giving us such an opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.